Hello, I'm Isaac. This is my submission for the Career Carnival Hackathon 2026. I'll begin with the GitHub repository, which contains the complete source code documentation and design decisions for my Gen AI powered contract risk assessment. So, here the README file outlines a core problem, which is small and medium businesses often sign contracts without fully understanding legal clauses, which exposes them to financial and legal risk. So here, the solution overview addresses the gap by analyzing contracts, breaking them into clauses, assessing risk, and explaining complex legal language in simple business terms. So, and then the tech stack, the system is built is using Python and Streamlit with rule-based NLP for explainability. Gen AI is used for only for legal reasoning and explanation, in line with the hackathon's tooling restrictions. So here, let me now switch to a live application to demonstrate how these components work together. This is the Gen AI contract analysis and risk assessment bot. The interface is intentionally simple so that a non-technical business owners can also use it easily. I'll start by uploading an English contract document. The first system first extracts text from the document and displays it for transparency, ensuring users can verify it being analyzed. Then it detects the contract type. Next, the system identifies the contract entities such as parties, dates, jurisdictions, financial amounts which are critical for legal assessment. Then the clause is then split into individual clauses. Each clause is classified and evaluated for risk based on legal patterns such as terminations, indemnity, non-compete, or jurisdictions. And for high, medium, and low risk, the system explains the clause in simple business languages and flag ambiguous terms that could be misinterpreted. To support better decision making, the system also allows SME-friendly template clause that shows what a balanced and fair clause typically looks like. At the contract level, a consolidated risk summary is generated, and this analysis can be exported as a PDF for the legal consultation or internal records. And then here, let's again upload a Hindi language contract. This platform also supports Hindi contracts. Hindi text is passed directly and all outputs are represented in simple business language for consistency. All processing is done locally, no external legal database are used, and the system strictly follows the allowed tooling stack. Overall, the solution helps SME understand contracts risk being before signing and enabling more informed and confident business decisions. Thank you.